So imagine you spent all the money that you had to get your car looking just right. So it's looking great. I mean, you live in that barling life. You even got some NOS4 effects and the mags are looking perfect, okay? So now let's say you're driving one day and you hit the curb. So now one of your mags is dented. What do? Do you have to buy a whole set? Well, worry no more, because today I'm meeting Langa, who is into mag repairs. Let's see how we can fix this problem. So Langa, untshele ngebhiesakhe
ngabona la ikazi ukuthi kunabantu abamoshekelwa amarim kakhulu, and nathi masimoshekelwa amarim mele sithatha amarim sibe siwayise ingamleni. So nami nginayo problem amarim vele self. So ngaqala ngathola ishop, ngacollect amarim, ngaya kwezinye ingamla, ngilibele like ngenza commission kanjalo. Ngiraise imali yokuthola ama tools.
Okay.
Nga-end up ngilibele ngithenga ama tools one by one. Ngilibele ngihambisa ngwamela bangenzele ngibuye nginikeza abantu banginike imali, ngilibele ngibeka imali kanjalo ngaze ngathola imishini, ngathola abantu abasifanayo, like ngarecruit abantu abasifana emajuzi ukuthi why singazosifana ekazi sonke sivule indayile. Ngeqaleni bebesaba, but manje makulibele kuyababona ukuthi hayi man ngathi kunento enzakalayo, bagcine sebeza, sagcina sesisebenza sesiba right.
So how long has the business been operational for?
About 8 years manje.
You've been here for 8 years young. And then Langa, you are based here White City. Why not Jozi?
My promote ekasa ke umuntu yenza into professional. So ngabona ichance ukuthi ngingene kuyo mina. Niyenze professional.
Ama disadvantage of being here eKasi yini?
Uyazi ukurun business. Kunabantu aba negative, kunabantu aba positive, so it's business everywhere. So kunabantu aba problem ukuthi hey, mawenza into wrong akwazi ukucorrect, athi ukuthi hey, isanwenza mistake, lozokuthi ukuthi hey, utaki. Wenza uyazi ubutaki, ngabe ngingaye engamleni kanti ngabe uyakutshela ukuthi wenza iflop la uthi uyilungise. Kube yiyo nje ama disadvantages asinawo nje, but otherwise i-support igrand ikhona like us.
And then ama advantages wona
ukuthi save abantu isikhathi nemali.
Yabo.
Yonke into bayenza la eKasi anyway on a cheaper rate. Umuntu uyakwazi ukushiya irima emsebenzini makabuya pick up ekhaya.
Yabo.
Simple, yeah.
Okay. And then skip on inside there.
Singasingena ubona.
Oh, okay, yes, boy.
So sibuda la i-reception yethu ne bula sireceive khona ama-rims like ma-customer mafika angena ngapha ne-rim elimele, then check i-rim ukuthi what's the damage, bese simcoat bese if uyavuma ushiya i-rim simbhalele invoice, hamba ne-invoice simnika i-date yokuthi apick up ne-rim lakhe.
Okay.
Yeah. And then masihamba singena ngayi bula ke sishiya amanye yabona i-space for i-space, that's why sibeka ama-rim so.
Okay.
Maningi ama-rim abantu kumele bawalande. Then ngayi before silungisa i-rim lomuntu kumele silikhiphe ethayini.
Okay, oh.
Yeah, it's a tire stripping machine. And then ngayi asinamali ye-oven, sizenzele i-oven yethu like us. Ukuthi sikwazi ukubheka ama-rim abantu after siwapendile. Uma ngabe ufuna ukusebenzela imoto yakho like for the whole day, siyakwazi ukuyenza same day. Siyayipaka la siyijeke, sikhipha ama-rim siyenze mase siqedile siwabuyisele sikufonele ngabo 5 uzolanda imoto when it's ready and done.
Job well done.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure.
Ama-tools wapho.
Ngapha i-workshop yethu kula sisebenzela khona. Kula sisebenzela ngakhona ke la.
Okay.
Yeah. Ama-out la ase-spanini wonke lawa ke.
Bicho.
Yeah.
Okay, so Langa, I can see you've got everything set up here, ne? Manje ama-clients wakho abantu banjani?
Abantu abaningi abasilethela ama-rim abaseKasi.
Okay.
Yes, sithole support ebhaya la eKasi. Mara siyabathola abantu from Mpumalanga. Siyabathola abantu bangaphandle. Nabase-Limpopo bayeza abantu abaningi.
And i-passion yakho, yazi uma ukhuluma ngama-rim ukhuluma nge-passion. Iqale kuphi le passion?
Njengoba ngisho ngithi ngikhule ngithanda iy'kari ezinhle. So manje ngithanda ukulimalelwa ama-rim, ngithanda ukwayiseJozi. So manje ngabona ukuthi le nto ayikho eKasi. Wonke umuntu uye edrobheni makafuna ukulungisa i-rim. Then ngazama iplan lokuthi ngizame ukuthi senze le nto eKasi.
And then what is the future of your business?
I-feature ukuthi sikhule sibe ne-alignment center, like be one-stop station. Kube ne-alignment center, wheel balancing, mag repairs, zibe sendaweni eyi-one zonke la sikhule. Abantu abaningi babona ema-alignment center ukuthi i-problem ye-rim ibuphi. Like let's say uhlushwa imoto ekuseni libe liyaphanja, utshela ukuthi itayera, angithi ebantwini abamatayera. Yibo bazokutshela ukuthi hayi kucrack-e i-rim or libhendile. Khani umuntu eza la. So uyabona ukuthi mase nginayo alignment center kuzoba easy ukuthi umuntu makaphantshela athi uzobheshisa itayera. Sikhona umbonisa ukuthi nayi i-problem. Simenzele yona there on the spot ayimele sihambe nayo i-rim.
With the current conditions of our national roads, and having met Langa and seen his business, I can drive easy knowing that if anything happens to my rims, there's a place right here in the township that I can bring my car to, and my rims will be safe and they'll come back looking spick and span.